Hi, I'm Roy Dunbar. I'm an associate instructor at University of Maryland Global Campus, and I've been actively using uCertify for the past 2 years for two of my courses. It is really simple. Once I log into the course, generally in only a few clicks, I can see a list of my students with their current progress. The uCertify Learning Platform allows students to view and bookmark course content. The course allows students to check their knowledge prior with the pre-test. The platform provides step-by-step labs for each chapter. Additionally, the final exam allows students to test their knowledge at the end of the course to validate their new skills. Students benefit from this flexibility of the course that facilitates their focus on areas of their weakness. uCertify's integration into the UMGC learning environment made it easy to navigate to. uCertify provides uCertify offers free demonstrations to instructors to preview navigation to resources such as lessons, labs, and the gradebook. The demonstrations help me learn the platform quickly. uCertify's class analytic data allows me to engage with my students that show that they have some difficulties mastering the learning objectives. I can focus my attention on students that need me in near real time. Yes, I would. I recommend it to colleagues if they're not using uCertify, definitely let them know that this is a great learning environment. The the ease of using the platform. Really, and like I mentioned before, a few clicks, I can get right to the data that's most important to me. Um, and it's really easy to use. Only a few clicks, and I'm there. I can fully support. I can fully view everything that my students can see, and it's great.